course, today is the day that I would forget my wrenches. Was thinking about it all night and forgot to grab them, so I'm gonna have to back up with some pliers. Once I get it so tight, I got some 15/16 lag bolts going through here. And then I've also got some Simpson strong ties tying it to the top plate and the rafter. And I don't think this beam will be going anywhere. It's also supported up underneath by a 4x4 up post. So lots of mechanical tie-ins going on. All right, push. Okay, you gotta hold it there.
Ooh, maybe. All right, you need me to get you some.
I gotta raise it on that end.
Oh, okay.
Before I can tie it in, so don't go walking underneath it because it's just hanging.
Yeah, it might fall.
Yeah, it's just hanging up here.
Okay, I'll hang out over here.
Okay. Whoa. Nice pour level. It's a good thing I got the plastic spirit bubbles.
It's been dropped about 1,000 times. Do you need me to bring you a 4x4 so you can figure out where to mark it?
So it's got to come up to there to be level.
Connected.
Oh, I need more nails.
Okay. There you go.
Okay, now to put some mechanical fasteners on, I'm going to put some more Simpson strong ties on this, and then I may even 45 like a couple blocks of wood so that I don't have shifting left to right. All right, let me show you what I've done here. So this is the beam going across, and then I've got these 2x6s going up to connect to that rafter. They're going to support the rafter, but they're also going to tie this beam into the roof and the top plate here. Now, the nice thing about this roofing system is I've basically got a buttress out front because those two big pillars in the front support the outward push of this building. So I basically have a double wall right here. So this is going to help tie everything together and help tie that back wall in as well to the structure. Now that center beam is pretty securely tied in to the rest of the house, north and south and east and west.
Seb's adding a header up above to span the entire window, so it gives us extra strength when we add the beam that will go across and tie these walls together.
ahead and grab your hand. Okay, don't poke your end up yet. I gotta get mine up first.
Watch your head.
Yep. Alright. Okay. That what you get in.
Good over there.
I'm gonna line it up right with that wall.
Are you gonna attach the side and the level that side, or are you gonna?
Yeah, well, it might be pretty close to level. I think it's almost
Where's your level at?
right there.
It goes down a little bit. It's not completely.
It goes
level.
down that way.
It goes down that way.
Good, because that was the plan. I'm like right dead level right here.
It just looks, maybe it's an optical illusion.
Or the roof's not level, or you're looking at the corner in different angles. Throw your eye off.
I've looked at so many pieces of wood lately. I don't
Maybe
know.
your blood sugar's low and it's time to go get some
It
brunch.
is. It's time for lunch. That's usually a good indication.
So with this shorter level, I'm checking both ends. And it's still good down here too. So
All right.
that's
sweet.
perfect. We'll tie that in and then we can go to other things.
All right. So I'll go get lunch, and you attach.
Yeah, I'm
these?
gonna finish strapping this up, and then we can do the up supports to the purlins and redo that purlin that's falling apart and this one that we had to take out, and we'll be done with the ceiling stuff for a minute.
Woo woo. All right. I got you 1 foot long glory special.
Okay.
The special today was teriyaki chicken. I think you want teriyaki can be less sugar.
No. Put a ton of sugar in teriyaki for whatever reason.
Well, because it's sweet.
This is the last beam I need to tie in, and then we will be attached to the walls. I'll have structural support all the way across on all 4 corners of the roof. We'll be able to support the purlins, and after the purlins get done, we will build the pantry wall. Hopefully today that gets done. The purlins are going back in. What a purlin does is basically cuts the load of the roof in half, so that your rafters don't have to carry that load all the way up and down. And since I only have 2x4 rafters on here, and even though they're old growth lumber and probably a lot stronger than a standard 2x4 that you could pick up down at your hardware store today, I still want to support them so that they're not carrying the entire weight of the snow load. Time to pull these joists out, and then we'll be done opening up this ceiling and we can go to rebuilding walls.
All right, so Zeb is representing the wall that we did not get up today. Pretend that there is a wall and a couple of doors. Now we have a question. Comment below with what you think. I'm planning on putting 2 antique doors in. One, I want to use the pantry door that's on our existing house, if you guys have seen that video. That's gonna go, nope, that's gonna go over here. Zeb, go be the door.
This is the door. I gotta put the jam in still.
That's gonna go over there, but should we frost the glass or should I put a curtain up? I'm thinking frosted so natural light comes in, but I'm not sure. And then if you watch tomorrow night's live, I will show you the door that's gonna be the new pantry door. It's got arched glass and it's wavy and gorgeous. It's been decor in my home forever. But would you do antique doors, or would you put new doors in your house? Let me know what you think. I already know that antique doors have my heart, but I'm just curious. Do you want to say something about what you did today?
The vaulted ceiling is complete. We don't have any more work to do with the structural portion of that. I've got about a bazillion nails to remove that are poking down through the shingles.
Zeb was just gonna paint over those, and I'm like, sweetie, they have to go.
You won't see them, they're way up there. They're small, they're
I'll
super
know
tiny.
they're there.
We're gonna zip them off with a grinder. Of course, we'll film that so you guys can see. Just wanted to say big thank you to you guys. We couldn't do this without you. We're getting tons of support, awesome comments on the channel and the videos, and we appreciate that so much.
If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends. It helps us out a ton. Let them know about JamiRayVintage.com, where they can get their logo wear and all their DIY supplies. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY. Someone mentioned that Jami was probably gonna have to vacuum the floor about 1,000 times. They were taking a wager that it would be over 1,000 in the comments. So, you know.
Today I didn't vacuum much. I vacuumed over there. It's clean on that side, but not over here. I'll come back tomorrow and clean up.
Hit the subscribe button.